joy that you bring. But you had only just begun to wonder, and of all that you could see, the shining eyes and tiny hands reached out for me so delicately. You've come a long way, baby. Just look at you now. Just look at you now. And in a moment you were up and running, and only sleep could slow you down. And I was proud to show you off all over town, just strolling around. And I remember when I first discovered just how determined you could be. I saw those shining eyes look back at me so confidently. You come a long way, baby, and just look at you now.